We're at the Kroc Center in Sassoon for the career day field trip. We get to go explore a bunch of careers and see what opportunities we have.
I want to be an FBI agent when I grow up. The police one inside, that was pretty close because it was focusing more on the investigative type subjects, which is what I want to focus on when I go into the FBI.
I really like going around and seeing all the different careers, but I also just found this art table right here, and it looks really, really cool because I'm a huge fan of art and I love to draw and stuff, so that was really, really cool.
I got to meet a psychiatrist and he told me all the things I need to know about college and stuff, so that was really fun. Yes, I think it prepared me a little bit.
You guys know that you can be pilots when you grow up. You can do this job that I'm doing. I sort of feel like if you want to do it, don't let anyone stop you.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, yeah.